Chapter 3. From depths to heights. We burrowed deep, unfolding every secret of the stadium's foundation, but no more delving in the dome. For in this time-lapse, the buildings will rise, with astonishing speed, shaping our stadium into its destined form. Precisely as foretold by those wondrous blueprints released by the magical book. Welcome to Chapter 3.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the show, and welcome to Chapter 3 already. And yeah, as you can see, we're building the Quidditch Stadium pinball game, and let's do a quick recap from last chapter. So this is the mechanical parts from the flippers. So you can adjust it with your hands, and then the flippers will go pop, 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 pop. And afterwards you get the 3 targets, so you can hit the pinballs with it. And there's a small little ramp in the middle. We're gonna use it later. And this the new game button, also mechanical part, so you can adjust it, and then the marbles will run through the marble track section. This is the leverage for the pinball to go up, and then you got the trigger, so then you can launch the marbles. And that's a small recap what we did in the last chapter.
So, hey, welcome everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to episode 3, as you may have noticed in the intro. And what we're gonna do today, we have to install one more marble track section in the foundation, and afterwards we can start with the build of the stadium actually, and we're gonna really make some great progress today. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, and we got already more than 1,000 subs, so very grateful for that. And without further ado, let's go to the time lapse, and yeah, the music is already playing right now, so you know what it means. I say, let's go. See you at the end. Bye.
space. 'Cause in time, you know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. And I know how things m And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shells. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue in the time, no reason to be so due. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. Pause myself, hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath the surface, the sparks that make us thrive. And I see the never-ending shoreline, and now I'm not alone. It's funny how sometimes we need to lose our way to find our home. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue in the time, no reason to be so due. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So I hope you enjoyed the time lapse, and as you can see, we made really lots of progress. So for now we are done, I think. And yeah, the buildings were a lot of repeatable work, but yeah, it was actually a lot of fun. And we did all the side structures, so now we got a really good view how it actually looks. And I think that's it for today. So yeah, as you can see, looks very good. For me, I'm happy. And if you like the video, if you like the time lapse, leave a like, subscribe, and also stay tuned for some results. And see you in the next one. Bye.
The stadium is complete. Its buildings rose above the clouds. But hold fast, for next, we unravel the pitch's secrets.
And chase those golden snitches.
New blueprints are released. Chapter 4 is on the way.